Hello, today I have here this mascara, a beauty product, and this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to be sharing my experience with this product and be really honest about this product. I would call it one of my favorites, but definitely wouldn't want to be super honest about this. Now this is a brand called Too Faced, and the name of this mascara is called Better Than Sex Mascara. Now if you guys are noticing why it's a little open, it's just because I've used this so much. Sometimes I leave little clumps there so it doesn't fully close. Still doesn't dry out though, fortunately. So it does come in a box, by the way. I just don't have it anymore. I've had this for about 5 months now, and I think this is my third one, I believe. I've been using this for like 2 years, honestly. And Too Faced has been one of my favorite brands, a high-end makeup brand. It became one of my favorites immediately because it was animal cruelty free, and just the design of their products and also the actual formula of their products has always been so good to me. And along with that, I just know other like makeup artists, for instance, like on Instagram and stuff, have recommended this for sure. And I've just seen so much good things about this that I'm like glad that I speak on it. You know, it just backs me up some more. Sorry about that. Like I said, there's a little bit of residue right there. Well, this is 0.27 ounces, I believe, and they do have, I believe, a smaller size that you can, like, you know, better for traveling. But I've always traveled with this. I believe that it's a very good size, and I can just take it with me anywhere. You know, toss it in my makeup bag or in my purse, luggage. I know you can take it anywhere on the world. The product is really good. Like, you guys can hear it's like it's very hard plastic. It has like a layer of like metallic sort of, as you can see right there. It's a very thin layer of it, but the inside it's actually plastic, as you guys can see. So this pink layer, it is pink. Sorry about that. I just have the residue falling out. Like I said, it is animal cruelty. Mascara it's always been a hard beauty product for me to choose from, just because it is like so more sensitive. Your eyes, you know, it goes on your lashes, and I just always want to make sure it's like super good, especially even if I don't have sensitive like an eye area or anything like that. I still treat it like it is, you know, just to be safe. It's just a regular cylinder mascara, the shape of it. And I love it because the tube is not too short or too long, you know. Like sometimes too short is just a pain, you know. Sometimes you just want to get it done quick, and short you have to focus and make sure you don't get anything anywhere else. And I just feel like this is a perfect size for the tube that connects it. And then for the actual brush, you can see it's hourglass, which is pretty good, you know. I don't want it to be plain. I don't want it to have like an extra, like, you know, some do come with like crazy shapes or anything like that, or some are just plain stick, and sometimes it could be a little hard to, like, you know, curve onto your lash. So I feel with like this, it's so easy to like curve onto your lash, as you can see, like that. That's the way I apply my mascara. Just do this circular, you know, type of thing, go under or over it sometimes too. I want it. Now this basically mascara is made to like thicken your eyelashes or make them darker or enhance the curl of it, or just sometimes the mascara itself can curl it, and this definitely helps with the curl, you know. I've never just applied this mascara without curling my lashes. Never really tried it before. I don't know, if I curl my lashes for a simple day, I just don't actually put mascara. I just curl it for a quick curl. So this, like I said, it does thicken them, but it definitely does not clump them up. I know sometimes your lashes can be clumped up because of how mascaras are supposed to thicken, but not this one. The purpose is to thicken, but definitely does not clump them. You know, maybe if like on a bad day, you know, my eyelashes will clump themselves. Not specifically for the mascara, because I just don't have that problem with it. I literally just like use a little brush that looks like this, you know, no mascara on it, kind of looks like the brush, and I just go like that, like on it, and like kind of separate it, and it's fine. It's not the mascara, just, you know, sometimes a bad makeup day or something like that. I do know, like I mentioned before, a lot of makeup gurus use this. I always recommend this to my friends. I've gifted this before, actually. Definitely such a great gift if you know someone uses mascara, because, you know, it's not where it's like any other makeup product that comes in different colors. This is just black mascara, and I've gifted about maybe 4 times. It's very affordable too for its quality, and the fact that it's a high-end brand, I believe it's very affordable. Like I said, it does come with a smaller one if you're not really fond of taking this around with you to travel or just with you. And like I said, I gift it, so I definitely like suggest this all the time. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how. I do have a false lash right here, which if you guys aren't aware, a false lash is basically just lashes you apply to get more, you know, just exaggerated look on your lash. Sometimes just add a little bit more volume on your lash. I'm just going to be showing you guys. So this is a very thin, you know, more, it's not a very crazy lash. You can see, I know it's hard to see the curve, but it's curved. And as you guys can see, this brush makes it so easy to just go up, you see? Like, you can't see me curling it. And it literally curls it, like, so easy. I know some like to apply, I don't do this, but I know some makeup people like to put this over it, you know. Like I said, it doesn't really stick, it just thickens them. As you guys can see, it gives it a nice like voluminous look, and it's already darkening them from the beginning. Such a great product. I hope you guys like that test. Definitely recommend this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.